Okay, in this video I am going to show you how I trace an image from the internet out. So I'm going to start with the Bezier tool, which is found in this menu, and all I'm going to do is go around to each point and left click on where I want a node. You'll see it puts a straight line there, but we're going to fix that up after. So we just want to, and we can fine tune where these nodes go. We'll just get them around here. And again, I'm just left clicking to drop my node where I want it. And then that's sealed up. So now I'm going to find center. There's my crosshair. I'm going to left click, double click, and that gets me so I can edit the nodes, and left click, draw a circle around them. That's going to highlight all the nodes. And I'm going to go convert them to a curve, and then left click off, and then left click back on. Now I'm just left clicking and holding and dragging this line out till I find wherever I move it. You can see how it stretches, but I can move it so it's right on the outside of where I want. That one's straight, that one's straight. This one, and then just drag it out. Let go, and it's good. Just going to move that a little. Drag that one a little bit off. Just going to change the thickness of my line to hairline. And that's the outside traced out. So if I click off and drag that over, you can see the outline. I'll just put it back. Now I'm going to go into some of these inside pieces. And again, I'm just left clicking where I want that node. Then double left click on there, left click, circle around it, convert them to a curved line. And just drag that out. Now that I have that piece, I can Control D, and that's going to duplicate that, and I just left clicked on it there, so I can rotate it now. Left click again. Nope. And then I can fit that in there. You can see it's not quite, but this isn't the size that we want, so I'll make sure my spacing is different once I have the drawing complete. Then if I Control D again, that's going to make it shift for this one. And then Control D again. And you'll notice it's rotating at the same degree as I turned it the first time. So now I've got those 4 pieces. And that's all this is going to be, is piecing the puzzle together. Go back to the Bezier. I don't know if that's how you say it. That's how I say it. And then I'll go in here. Click on there. Same thing, go to the center, left double click, wrap around, convert to curves, and then now I can drag that out where I want it. Go back to that, and I can duplicate that, rotate, and then that's going to fit in there. Like I say, once I get the pieces in there close to where I want them, I'll have to edit it a bit after. And that is that. And I just keep going. Actually, what might be easier, I'm just going to highlight these a different color so I know that I have them covered. And now I can see the pieces that I have left. And that's basically it, and I'll just keep doing that for each of these lines, and I'm going to pause the recording so you don't have to sit and watch me do all this, and then I'll bring it back when I get to the end and show you the spacing of it. Okay, so I've got this all traced out, just rough, and then now I duplicated it, and then now I've enlarged it, so this is 1 foot by 1 foot. Now we can, if we want to go bigger than that, we can go bigger from what I'm editing here. So this process just takes time. I've created this is what I use circles for measuring tools, and this circle I've created is 0.2. So that's going to leave me 0.2 of material between these cutout edges. So all I'm going to do, I've got it set on one edge there. Double click. I'm going to pull these up, just straight up to keep them in line there. I'm going to bring that one And then now I can just I know my curve is the same. I'm just going to highlight that, and I'm going to bring it back down to there. Now I know I've got 0.2 of an inch all along there. And then I just have to do the same. What I'm going to do is work on this one, this piece, and I'm going to edit those until I've got that. Then I can duplicate this and turn it and put it into here. I'll pause it till I get that finished. Okay, so just I've got it drawn out here. I've got all the pieces. Now I'm just going to do the final edit on spacing. I'm just going to move this around. You got to watch when you drag stuff like this, because it is going to change the angle of other lines a little bit. But that's and I'm just going to go through and the whole thing and make sure all of my lines have the proper spacing there. And then save it as a DXF, and it will be ready to cut. And that is the end of this tracing program. Have a great day. Bye-bye.